Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate growth percentage against last year in Power BI. So we have two tables. We have finance data which contains all the transactions, and we have date table. So you have created a dedicated date table because it's a good practice to have a separate date table while working with dates. So what else do we have? We have a measure for sales, which is nothing but the sum of sales. Now we want to calculate the growth in sales against the last year for the year and the month that we select. For that, we'll have to create a new measure for last year sales. So right click on the query, click on new measure. Let's call it LY sales, last year sales. We'll be using the function calculate. What do we need? We need sales. And we'll be using the function same period last year. So what this function essentially does is it will take in a date. So a date will have a year to it. So it is going to calculate the expression that you have mentioned over here 1 year previous to the year that you have selected. All right, so let's put in date. Make sure you select the date from the date table, not from the transactions table. Let's format it as a currency. Now we have this year's sales and we have last year's sales. Now we need to create another measure to calculate this growth in sales. So right click, click on new measure. We'll call it sales growth percentage. And it would be sales minus last year's sales divided by last year's sales. Format it as a percentage. And we are pretty much done. So let's pull out some data to verify our measure. So let's create a table right here. Let's pull out country. And sales growth percentage. So it's going to show you random numbers at first because we haven't passed a year and a month as a filter. So now let's pull out a year. Convert it into a list. And let's pull out a month as well. All right. So now when we place a filter, when we select a year and a month on a slicer, so these numbers are going to respond to it. All right. So let's test it. Let's select the year 2014. And let's select a month. Let's say we select September. As you can see, the numbers are now reflecting very correctly. So we have 0% sales growth in Canada, 113% in France, 15% in Germany, 58% in Mexico, 46% in US of A. All right. So this is how you calculate growth percentage against last year in Power BI. Thanks for watching this video.